Okay, here's the cold start portion of the video on our 78 Cadillac Seville. This car jumps up on a high idle, controlled by a idle air control valve. It'll settle down. And we'll come back and do some operations as well as a drive video. Thank you. You can see the temperature when I fired up the engine before. So the automatic temperature control is on. I have it set as cold as possible. You can see the AC blows cold. Clock works. We're in a steel building with the radio. I don't know if you could hear the engine just blog just a little bit, turning on the rear window defogger. Cruise control. Wipers. Turned around here. Whoops, slipped off the button. Seat. Okay, next we'll do the drive portion. Thank you. A couple things I neglected in the operations video. The power seat. Trunk release. And of course, power trunk closer. There we go. I think that covers it all. Okay, we're going to do just a quick drive for this segment of our 78 Cadillac Seville. This car, primarily all original paint, the exception of the hood. The hood appears to have been painted. But all original paint, well documented. As you can see, all the mileage is backed up by all the receipts that are in the photo gallery. So we're just gonna take a ride here down one of the back streets or back roads of Boulder Junction that I enjoy. Great driving car, runs good, 350 Olds in it, fuel injected. Trans up shifts, down shifts, just like it should. Air blows cold. Horn works. the photo gallery, this car has been undercoated. To be honest with you, I don't know if it ever saw the winter. I don't know a ton about the background of this car simply because it came as in a group of cars that I purchased. So it's not like I had the opportunity to interact with the previous owner like I normally would otherwise. But as I said, you know, the paint appears to be all original. I like what I see in the jams, the pinch welds. Really just kind of a no stories car there. As you can see in the gallery, you know, the car does have some imperfections, but this is a no reserve auction, and I think somebody might be able to get into a collector car at a very reasonable number. Set the cruise control here. Any questions, feel free to reach out. I watch the comment section every time I have an auction going. Feel free to hit the contact seller button. I can email back and forth with you, text with you, talk with you. Tried to take some good pictures to really familiarize, you know, what the car is and what it isn't. But it's just a great driving, nice old car. I appreciate your time.